How to log into HDFC Credit Card account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your HDFC Credit Card account. For that, you need to go to the official website of HDFC Bank. Simply open any web browser on your device first and in the search bar type hdfcbank.com/creditcards. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of HDFC Credit Card. Here at the top on this interface, you will find Login button. When you hover your cursor over this Login button, you will be presented with various options. From here, you need to select this credit card portal. Once you select this option, now you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to click on this Continue to Credit Card portal. Once you click on it, now you will be presented with the login interface. In this first box, you need to enter your user ID, and in the second box, you need to enter your PIN or the password. Make sure to enter the correct details here. In case if you don't remember them or forgot them, you may also restore them by clicking on that Forgot User ID or Forgot Password PIN option at the bottom of each boxes. Also, if you want to use the virtual keyboard for password, you may click on little box right here and the virtual keyboard will appear. From here, you can enter your password. Now once you have done that, go ahead and click on this login button and then you will be able to log into your HDFC Bank credit card. In case if you don't have an account yet, you may also click on this register now button right here and create an account on it. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your HDFC credit card account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.